And we have several breaking developments in 6. Thank you so much for joining us. I'm Ryan Houston. Governor Tom Wolf announced all restaurants and bars in Allegheny County will have to close tonight at midnight. The governor says restaurants and bars can still offer carry-out, delivery, and drive-through options. The city of Pittsburgh is banning crowds with 50 people or more starting at 9 tomorrow morning on the recommendation of the CDC. Also, the first dose of a potential COVID-19 vaccine from a clinical trial will be delivered Monday. A White House update is expected tomorrow morning at 10:30. What has not changed since 6 are the local numbers. Allegheny County says it has 4 cases, and there is still 1 in Washington. We have Team 11 coverage tonight, starting with Channel 11's Kara Sapita on the breaking news desk with the call for non-essential businesses to close in Allegheny County.
Good evening. Tonight, county leaders released a 6-minute video saying this is an unprecedented challenge that our community is facing. They believe as testing increases drastically in the coming days, many more cases will be identified. The big takeaway from this video is they believe our hospitals are only a few weeks away from being overwhelmed with patients.
Southwest Pennsylvania is about 2 to 3 weeks away from overwhelming our hospitals.
Allegheny County officials are calling on non-essential businesses to close voluntarily starting Monday for at least 2 weeks. County exec Rich Fitzgerald made a video announcement tonight alongside Health Director Dr. Deborah Bogan, urging everyone to work together, they said, by staying apart.
We know the virus is or will soon be spreading in virtually every community in the U.S. and indeed the world. Given the contagiousness of this virus, we know that it will not slow down on its own.
We need to come together, but we need to come together by staying apart.
Dr. Bogan explained that approximately 20% of people infected with coronavirus will need hospitalized, and the reason for these restrictions are so our hospitals are not overwhelmed.
When we apply these numbers to the 3 million people who live in southwestern Pennsylvania, we estimate that tens of thousands will need intensive care and breathing support to survive and recover. Our world-class hospitals can only handle a small portion of this number at any one time.
Specifically, they are asking these businesses to voluntarily close, from childcare and senior centers to community recs and gyms, hair and nail salons, casinos, bars, concert venues, theaters, sporting event facilities, social clubs, and shopping malls. They specifically said restaurants are included, but they encourage them to stay open for carryout and delivery. Not included, supermarkets, pharmacies, and gas stations.
It isn't our intent to scare people or cause panic. It's about being honest with our community and being certain that as many people as possible understand the challenge we are all facing.
Now, we reached out to UPMC and Allegheny Health Network about those concerns that hospitals could become overwhelmed. UPMC leaders say they are well equipped and trained to properly care for any patient with COVID-19 and that they've been preparing for this for years. Ryan.
Thank you so much for that. And back to that breaking news, the governor ordering all restaurants and bars in Allegheny County to close for dining in starting at midnight tonight. The order applies only to Allegheny County in our area, as well as 4 counties in the Philadelphia area. It will last for 14 days. Carry out, delivery, and drive-through will continue. Channel 11 spoke to Beto's Pizza on Banksville Road, and they were already preparing for this even before getting the governor's order.
We are starting at midnight, so tomorrow starting at 11 a.m. we will just do takeout only.
And as we said, Allegheny County is now reporting 4 cases of COVID-19 in the county. That includes a patient now being treated at Jefferson Hospital. That's where we find Channel 11 Shelley Bortz live tonight. Shelley.
Well, that's right, Ryan. One of those patients is being treated here, as you said, at Jefferson Hospital. And due to the increase in confirmed cases across the county, Allegheny Health Network has added additional measures to limit visitation at its facilities.
Sorry for the people that get it, and just hope that nobody else gets it. It's something that you have to be careful with.
This afternoon, Allegheny County announced 2 more confirmed cases of coronavirus, bringing the total in the county to 4 in just the last 24 hours.
It's definitely unnerving, for sure. Yeah, absolutely. It definitely makes you a little more nervous about it.
We're told both cases announced today are people in their 60s. One is in isolation at home and the other is being treated here at Jefferson Hospital. And a Clairton City Council member began notifying people the person in the hospital is from Clairton. In response to the growing cases, Allegheny Health Network will immediately begin screening all visitors at the entrances to make sure they don't have a respiratory illness, including coronavirus. AHN released this statement in part. We understand this is a temporary inconvenience for our patients, friends, and family members, but it's one that we believe is in the very best interests of everyone. Until further notice, all visitors at AHN hospitals will be asked 2 questions. Have you traveled domestically or internationally in the last 14 days? And do you have a cough? If you answer yes to either question, you will not be allowed in.
As long as you take your, do what you have to do, should be okay. I mean, there's no way of guaranteeing anything in life.
Now, the Allegheny County Health Department is working to find out who this patient here at Jefferson Hospital may have been in contact with in the community. Reporting live tonight outside of Jefferson Hospital, Shelley Bortz, Channel 11 News.